Hi guys, welcome back to my channel 50% Angel. Today I have something super exciting for you. If you are stuck at home and you're craving for some dessert but you don't have an oven or a cooker, here's how you can make an amazing, and I mean it, a delicious set of brownies right at your home. Still interested? Stay tuned. So like I have mentioned before, I stay in a 1 BHK with my husband and I do not have an oven, and I wanted to know if there was a recipe to make brownies, fudge brownies, let me tell you, delicious fudgy brownies at home, but I didn't want to use a pressure cooker like I mentioned. So what I decided was I'm going to skip the pressure cooker and an oven which I don't have and make it with utensils that you will have at home. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. that's it, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoy making this recipe because I loved it. My husband loved it. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are at home, and I hope you guys enjoy this brownie recipe. If you like my video or if you have any more comments for me, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video and tell all your friends and family to subscribe to my channel. Until I meet you all next with more DIYs. Cheers!